Nothing. Just get ready. So I would threw things on because I was making a YouTube video. Somebody's daughter. She's somebody's everything. And if you don't shut up, you're gonna be the only true thing. I'm Rosie. All these girls never gonna settle down, girl. Baby, and they never goes down, girl. With the sun out, really hope for one night. Looking like a Mustang. Oh, you ought to get it up, friend. Oh, would your eyes have a good aim on the goodbye ride? Cause it's fine, cause it's out of my face. All these girls. Yeah, all these girls. Yeah, all these girls. Don't you wanna take me away? Let me on down, girl. What a life I love when you make. Gossip. All these girls. Yeah, all these girls. Yeah, all your girls. Don't you wanna take me away? Let me on down, girl. What I love when you make. For God's sake. All these girls. Yeah, all these girls. Yeah, all these girls. But you wanna take me away? Let me on down, girl. When I'm off, I love you, man. Gossip. All these girls. Never gonna take me on down, girl. Baby, and then I'm gonna toast down, girl. With sundown. Rodeo for one now. Looking like a Mustang. Oh, you ought to get up, girl. Oh, what you call something good? It's gonna be a part 2 of this, so don't worry. Don't worry. But yeah, it's gonna be a part 2 of this. It's dirty on the rims. That's okay. That's okay though. Blend it and a little bit. I put a little too much. So I'm just gonna shake it. Shake it off. Shake it off. But I accidentally put too much and I got all the floors. I'm gonna clean that up in a minute, but that's not right now because the girl's into right now in her makeup. So there is gonna be a part 2 in 2 seconds. 2 minutes, I mean. Not 2 seconds. It'll be over by then. But yeah, 2 minutes. I just got this 10 piece and then wrap it on my nails.